Today we're unboxing the Donuttle. It's a uniquely shaped water bottle. It's shaped like a donut, which is super fun. I got the clear one, and it comes with a pacifier that you can use to drink out of if you'd like, and also a fashion strap, which you can use to put the water bottle through and carry it in a fashionable way. This donut-shaped water bottle is not like your regular water bottle. It's definitely more fun and it helps you stand out in a crowd. They also provide a little pacifier that you can screw onto the water bottle and it makes it super easy to drink. I think it's great. It kind of is fun, like a fun way for adults to drink water without it leaking. Like if you wanted to take a sip laying down, you can just use the pacifier. Washing the water bottle is super easy. You just put water in it and you can like just shake it, or like you can even like dance with it. And I'll show you right now how I clean my Donuttle. I put soap in my Donuttle and you just fill it up. You can literally just shake it. Super easy. You just shake it and it's clean. Overall, I think this is a very fun way to drink water. It's a very cute and unique water bottle that comes in 3 different sizes and 6 different colors. And I think this is definitely a fun way to drink water and stand out.